Hey guys, it's me, Urban, the Happy Cultivator, and today's minute video is going to be on my Paul Roberson tomatoes. So here is a lovely, large Paul Roberson tomato. This one's ready to go, so I'm gonna just go ahead and take her off the vine here. But she is a lovely girl. See if I can just pull her off. I don't wanna have to go get some pruners, but let's get her off of here. So there she is, a big, beautiful Paul Roberson. I'll have to take her in and wash her up. But wow, gigante. And remember, this is an heirloom tomato, so that's part of the reason they look the way they do. But she should be delicious. Take this one in and make myself up a sandwich. So with that, guys, keep happy, stay stoned, and urban garden.